It's 14 August night, University of Malakand with lovely raining. It's looking so beautiful, amazing. Look at University of Malakand and a special night, 14 August night, and with the lovely raining. So amazing. It's looking so beautiful. It's 14 August night. Very well decorated main gate, University of Malakand. Wow, in raining the flowers and plants looking so beautiful, amazing. It's 12 p.m. It's flower in the front of post office. Wow, amazing, yeah. Oh, in the view, University of Malakand view in a night, 14 August night, looking so beautiful, University of Malakand. Amazing. Wow, it's amazing. It's amazing. It's Honey Ali, Department of Psychology, University of Malakand. Take care, bye bye.